What's up, guys? So I just got some new wrap. Came in yesterday. Got our vinyl. So I got carbon fiber. I'm going to be wrapping the hood, spoiler. The rest of the car is going to be purple. I'm still looking at purple wraps currently, but right now I'm going to take my car to the shop because this side of the underglow is not working, so I'm going to see if I can fix that. And then also I'm going to see if I can add some bloody teeth for Halloween on the front of it. So let's get to it. I'm going to be wrapping my car today. So I drove in this truck today to work because I was trying to get a new exhaust on my car, but I'm going to have to take it to a muffler shop more likely. For now, me and my friend Danny are going to wrap my car with carbon fiber. We're going to do the hood for now. If we still have plenty of time for the trunk, then we're going to go ahead and take off the spoiler, do the trunk and the spoiler, and it's going to be sick. So let's do it. So right now we're cleaning up the hood, making sure that there's nothing on it. And then I also ordered the whole kit. Got some more underglow. I'm gonna have to put another set on because I didn't really wire it that good, and I hit a pothole and it took the wire out. So I'm gonna do that. The other kit is from my brother's car, and I'll also be recording that.
How much do you think your overhang? Are you comfortable with your overhang over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
You?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stretch it a little tight. Beautiful.
More likely gonna order our vinyl for the purple wrap just because of how easy it was to apply and how forgiving it kind of is, and it looks really good. Look at that. Got the fangs too. But that is so clean. Big thanks to Danny for helping me out.
Yeah. Woo! Can't see me from there.
Oh yeah, you can.
Can you?
Yeah. Yeah, it was fun. Nice learning experience. I mean, later in the future I can wrap other people's cars, friends' cars, you know, a little bit of help, and wrap the rest of this and it'll be purple. And I will have to fix up all these. Just look at it. Walking up to it. So I got her all washed up now. It's looking pretty clean. It came out really well. I love it. I can't wait to add on the rest of the wrap. So now we're heading home, and I'm more likely gonna take a video in the morning to show how it looks. I'm excited. We made it to work in this carbon fiber. It looks good.
Oh yeah?
And I washed it off last night.
Nice.
Yeah. Got me a Red Bull. Always good to have that Red Bull. So now I'm heading back down to the shop and I'm gonna install the Underglow on my car. So this is the Underglow that I got. It's got 300 LEDs and then 120 different chasing effects. So now I'm gonna undo all the old wiring and get all the new lights on there, and that'll be a nice touch to these little fangs right here that I have on the car. I was expecting to have them like red with the, you know, the bloody fangs and stuff. It went out as soon as I put these on. Yeah, let's get to it. Push that bitch. Right? Alright, just finished up with the Underglow. Kind of charging up the battery because kind of killed the battery with having the lights on while installing them. So it is so much better. Then again, it's my second time and it took a lot more time just tucking the wires and making sure everything looks good. Got that zip tied. Coming around to here and it's hiding under this. Last time I had it just hanging right here going, it was just zip tied to that and it was just visible. Into there, comes out, and you got that. It's not going through there because it's a little bit more work, but this is just fine. Oh, I guess I need to take off my old ones, but yeah, let's go ahead and do that real quick. Comes off from the side. Come right here into here. Beautiful day today. So I just got finished with my Underglow. I'm gonna get my wheels on. I got 2 new tires, and then I'm gonna wait for my brother to get home and we're gonna head to my dad's.
Made it to QT. Got the Underglow on. But damn, I can't get over this. I can't wait to wrap the spoiler.
So we arrived to Dad's. Didn't really record that, but car is looking good. She's just a little dirty. I mean, with a 4-hour drive, she's gonna get dirty, especially at nighttime. But now we're gonna check out Halloween City and possibly try to find a costume for this Halloween party that's today.
What more can I say? Greens are color your money, then put that broccoli in my plate. I've been working really hard and giving y'all niggas a reason to hate. Got a meeting with success, don't waste my time, I can't be late.
Look at this thing.
Started in the bleachers, now we falling like the lake. Back up on the scene, ripping for my team, ripping off the industry. I'm on that Wolverine. Put me on vinyl records, cause we dropping, crushing and ripping it. Hot Schwarzenegger terminating haters. Started in the bleachers, now we ballin' like the Lakers. Back up on the scene, ripping for my team, ripping off the industry. I'm on that Wolverine. Put me on vinyl records. What more can I say? Greens are color your money, then put that broccoli in my plate. I've been working really hard and giving y'all niggas a reason to hate. Got a meeting with success, don't waste my time, I can't be late. Hot Schwarzenegger terminating haters. Started in the bleachers, now we falling like the Lakers.